everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 471 of trying a new makeup product every day. And yes, I did change my background again. I've been trying so many different backgrounds and just trying to find one that I'm really happy with. Let me know what you think about this one. I'm trying to figure out if it looks like there's too much going on. I don't know. I used to really like this one, so I'm gonna play around with it, see if I still like it. But anyways, today I'm trying out this Santee Fuller Lips lipstick, and I got this from ShopMissA, so of course this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. I have this in the shade 2, but this does come in a few different shades on the ShopMissA website. They all seem like very fun, bright colors, and I'm really excited about a bright lipstick for the spring and summer. But I mean, honestly, I love a bright lipstick any time of year, but oh, this looks so pretty. Right here, it looks like a Barbie doll pink. Let me go ahead and swatch it. It also is so shiny that it almost looks like a fake toy lipstick. Oh my gosh, this swatches so beautiful, so bright, and it does have some shine to it, the way it has shine in the tube here. And I'm intrigued by the name Fuller Lips. This doesn't claim to have any sort of plumping effect, but I want fuller lips, so I'm hoping that this can do something for me. So let's see how it looks. Also, it has a smell to it, not a scent, but it kind of smells a little bit musty, so it's a little weird, but it's not that bad. All right, that is so quick and easy to apply. It has really good pigment, and oh my gosh, just seeing this color makes me happy. It's very exciting to see myself in such a bright, beautiful pink lip color. It's been a while since I've worn this bright of a pink shade, and pink just makes me so happy, especially something this bright. So I'm really enjoying how this looks, but it's also a nice formula. It's creamy, it looks very smooth and even on my lips, and I have very dry lips, but my lips look very hydrated. So I am very impressed with this $1 formula. Let's see how it wears by doing a kiss test. So quite a bit of transfer, but it's still very intact on my lips. Wow. I mean, it's definitely faded, but these lipsticks always transfer, so that's not that bad, and it's just so easy to reapply it. So if you're looking for a fun, bright lip, I think that this is a great option. I am really going to try and incorporate some really fun, bright lips this summer and spring because they just make me happy. So why not wear a color that makes you happy? Let me know in the comments down below what colors make you happy and what color lipsticks are your favorite colors to wear. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.